Hello viewers, today we will solve the merge to sorted list. Okay, so in this question you have to just merge these two lists. Okay, only two lists is given, you just have to merge it in a sorted order. So you can do it as first you have to create list node C, a dummy list. Okay, which is new list, new list node. Okay, new list node as 100 maybe, and then you just have to create list node star temp equals to C, which is put temp is a node which is traversed through the linked list C. Okay, means I create a new list, then I just have to check while list 1 is not equals to null, or and list 2 is not equals to null. You just have to check if A का val is less than equals to B का val. Okay, you just have to add temp C. Temp C के next means you just have to add the value, just connect it through A. Oh sorry, this is not A, this is A. Let's rename list 1 and list 2 as an A and B because it is quite time taking, so I just renaming it. And okay, and then you just have to move the list A ka next, A equals to A ka next. Okay, and after that you just have to also temp C temp equals to temp C ka next. Okay, you just have to do this, and after that if this condition is not satisfied, then you just have to do this temp C ka next is equals to at the B. Okay, and B equals to B ka next, and you just have to move temp C further. Okay, temp C equals to temp C ka next. Okay, so this is the condition for else and if. Okay, after that you just have to move further and check if A equals to null, then you just have to add the temp C ka next equals to B, else temp C ka next is equals to A. Okay, after that you just have to return the temp C ka next, because at the head position there is an 100 which is dummy node, so you just have to return the C ka next from after the 100. Okay, let's check it whether it is running properly or not. Maybe this will show some error. No, this is not showing. Yeah, thank you for watching.